North Wales Path. Good morning. I'm in the outskirts of Bangor, walking the North Wales Path. This is a path that goes from Porth Penrhyn again in Bangor to Prestatyn, and I'll do a day walk in the rain to Llanfairfechan, hopefully going past Aber Falls. It's going to be a wet one, I know that now, but hey ho, I need to get out. This part of the trail is shared with the Snowdonia Slate Trail for a few hundred metres. Oce. Pa ffordd dwi'n mynd wan? Ffordd hyn? Llwybr y Gogledd. Diolch yn fawr iawn. A very unusual metal style here. Now here Llanfairfechan is in front of me and hardly visible. I've turned away from the sea now and looking at the Carneddau and Llwytmor bach in front of me. Now in front of me for the next 20 minutes or so is Aber Falls on the left, Rhaeadr Fawr, and Rhaeadr Fach on the right. This really is a lovely walk, especially in good weather. Rhaeadr Fach. This waterfall is visited by literally thousands of people every year, and strangely enough, there was nobody else here. Aber Falls! I've seen these falls in the past with a much more dramatic flow. Must be something to do with the dry weather we've had. This was much needed, trust me. Aye. Shelter. I recorded a previous video from here 3 years ago. Soaked through. I'm supposed to be going to Llanfairfechan, but I think I'm going to leave it. It's absolutely pouring it down. And the path that goes from here to Llanfairfechan is not the most interesting. I'll see you when I get to the car park, because my feet are swimming in water. But I did know before I came out, I'm not whinging. It's just what I need to do. I'll carry on that way another day. That's me done for today. I'll walk the mile or so now and wait for the bus. "12.5 miles, but as you can see I travelled some distance on the bus before putting my app off.